Hey everyone, welcome back. In my last video, I gave a full tour of PropFlow, a complete property and asset management system. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to deploy this entire system for yourself in less than 5 minutes. Just to recap, PropFlow allows you to catalog all your properties and units, track every appliance and furniture asset, including purchase date, costs, and warranties, keep a detailed history of asset maintenance logs and service schedules, manage tenant information, lease dates, and security deposits, archive lease agreements and documents directly to your Google Drive, track outstanding tasks, priorities, and deadlines, and synchronize lease expiries, tasks, and maintenance schedules directly to Google Calendar. If you haven't seen the full demo and walkthrough of what this app can do, make sure to watch part 1 first. I've linked it in the description box right below. The entire database runs on a single Google Spreadsheet template. To get started, click the Spreadsheet template link in the description below. Once it opens, go to the top left, click File, and select Make a Copy. Name it whatever you like, choose where to save it in your Google Drive, and click Make a Copy. Now we need to deploy the API backend. Go to the top menu, click Extensions, and then click App Script. This opens the script editor containing the database and synchronization logic. At the top right, look for the blue Deploy button. Click it and select New Deployment. In the configuration pop-up, make sure the deployment type is set to Web App. In the description box, you can write anything, like version 1. Under Execute As, select Me, your own email address. Under Who Has Access, select Anyone. Once those are set, click the blue Deploy button. Google will now ask you to authorize access. Click Authorize Access. Select your Google account. You might see an advanced warning screen because you are deploying a custom script you just copied. Don't worry, this is your own script accessing your own sheets and drive. And there we go, deployment is successful. You are presented with a web app URL ending in /exec. Click Copy to copy this URL to your clipboard and keep it safe. Now paste that web app URL into a new browser tab and open it. When you open the web application for the first time, you are greeted by an automated 3-step setup wizard that links everything together. Step 1, Backend connection. The wizard will automatically check the connection to your app script backend API. Once it verifies everything is reachable, click Connect and continue. Step 2, Admin account setup. Here you need to create your admin credentials to log in. Type in your admin username, password, confirm your password, and click Create Admin Account. Your password is securely encrypted using a hash inside your Google Script properties. It is never saved as plain text. Step 3, Login. With your admin account created, you land on the login screen. Type in the credentials you just created, click Sign In, and congratulations, you are officially logged into your live property management system. We are inside our fresh PropFlow dashboard. The last step to complete our setup is connecting Google Calendar so all our tasks, leases, and maintenance schedules synchronize automatically. In the sidebar, click on Settings. Scroll down to the Google Calendar Sync section. You'll see an input field asking for a Google Calendar ID. Let me show you how to get this ID. Go to your Google Calendar page. In the left-hand sidebar, next to Other Calendars, click the plus icon and select Create New Calendar. Let's name it Property Management and click Create Calendar. Once created, hover over your new calendar in the list. Click the 3 dots and select Settings and Sharing. Scroll down the Settings page until you find the Integrate Calendar section. Look for the field named Calendar ID. It will usually look like an email address or end with @group.calendar.google.com. Select and copy this calendar ID. Now go back to your PropFlow settings page, paste the ID into the Google Calendar Sync field, and click Save Settings. And that is it. Your system is now 100% complete and integrated. From now on, every time you add a tenant's lease expiry date, every time you log routine maintenance or repair schedules on your assets, and every time you set a due date on a property task, PropFlow will automatically schedule it in your Google Calendar in real time, sending reminder alerts directly to your phone. One last tip. If you ever want to clear out the sample data and start fresh with a clean slate, you don't need to manually delete rows. Simply go back to your Google spreadsheet, click on the custom menu at the top named Property Manager, and select Reset Application Data. This will securely wipe all existing properties, assets, tasks, and documents, leaving your database completely fresh and ready to receive your own data. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.